Hi, my name is Bunmi'S, and here is my two Kobo on beating AI. First glance at the topic, I was like, why fight it when you can make it work for you? AI is a great tool. It's great at speeding things up, organizing information, handling repetitive tasks, but it can't beat human judgment. Let's be realistic. AI can't beat empathy, right? And also the ability to build genuine relationships. So for me, beating AI means staying adaptable, being willing to learn, and using it as a tool rather than seeing it as a competition, right? At the end of the day, AI gives answers, but people make impact. So I'd rather let AI do the heavy lifting while I focus on the things that only human can bring to the table. And that's my two kobo. Thanks for watching.